Hello world! As to the entertainment tonight news, in a land far, far away, Ryan Gosling is reportedly in negotiation to join the 2 years in development Star Wars feature from filmmaker Sean Levy. The Hollywood Reporter reports that the movie will be standalone film should Ryan deal go through. It would become Sean's next project with filming to take place as early as fall. Stone most recently directed Deadpool and Wolverine and had been eyeing to make another film with Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman, but if this all worked out, it would shift his attention to the Star Wars feature. The plot is still very much under wrap, with screenwriter Jonathan Trooper working on the script since late 2022. Hey! We will all wait for the new film to come out. Bright day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.